Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video isn't that big of a deal, but I was playing around with different colors, and I've stated in other videos, most of my videos are for laser engravers, so you want to use RGB, and if you look right here, this is an RGB red, so it's 100, or red 255, this is green, which is green 255, and blue, which is blue 255. These are CMYK, K equals black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. So if you look at this, it's 100% cyan. This one's 100% magenta. This one's 100% yellow. And then this one's going to be 100% K. But these colors right here are CYMK, but they match pretty close, but they're not perfect. So you don't want to use them, but I thought I'd show you how you could get there. So we're going to make a duplicate of the Control D of the cyan. And right here, if you mix cyan with magenta, you get blue. So we're going to open up the editor with holding down the Shift key and hitting F11. And then you get this. So now we want to add 100% magenta. Press OK, and you're going to get that blue. So you would add these two to get blue, add yellow and cyan to get green, add yellow and magenta to get red. And if you add all three of them together, you get black. But if you're a laser engraver, you want to use RGB. And if you're, and I should not say this because I'm not a printer or a sublimation, but you want to use CYMK colors. So I hope that kind of explained it a little bit. And thank you for watching.